Welcome to our channel where we help homeowners with home improvement projects. Today we will discuss how to find a reliable contractor for your bathroom renovation. Bathroom renovation can be an exciting and stressful project. You want a contractor who can bring your vision to life, but at the same time you want to make sure they are reliable, trustworthy, and professional. In this video, we will provide a step-by-step guide to help you find the right contractor for your bathroom renovation project. Step 1. Identify your needs. The first step in finding a reliable contractor is to identify your needs. Determine what you want to accomplish with your bathroom renovation project, including your budget, timeline, and any special requirements. This will help you narrow down your search to contractors who specialize in your specific needs. Step 2. Do your research. Once you know what you want, it's time to do your research. Look for contractors in your area who specialize in bathroom renovation. Check their websites, social media pages, and online reviews. This will help you get a better understanding of their expertise, experience, and customer satisfaction. Step 3. Ask for referrals. Another great way to find a reliable contractor is to ask for referrals from friends, family, or colleagues who have recently completed a bathroom renovation project. Ask them about their experience with the contractor, including their professionalism, communication, and work quality. Step 4. Interview prospective contractors. After you have a list of prospective contractors, it's time to start interviewing them. Ask them about their experience, qualifications, and references. Also, ask about their communication style and how they handle changes or unexpected issues. Step 5. Get quotes. Once you have interviewed several contractors, it's time to get quotes. Make sure you provide each contractor with the same specifications and requirements so you can compare apples to apples. Don't forget to ask about their payment schedule and any warranties they offer. Step 6. Check their credentials. Before you hire a contractor, make sure they have the necessary credentials and licenses. This includes insurance, a contractor's license, and any required permits for your area. Step 7. Sign a contract. Finally, once you have found a reliable contractor, it's time to sign a contract. Make sure the contract includes all the details of the project, including timelines, payment schedules, and warranties. Don't forget to read the fine print before signing. Congratulations, you have found a reliable contractor for your bathroom renovation project. By following these steps, you can ensure that your project runs smoothly and is completed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or would like more information on bathroom renovation projects, please let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more home improvement tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.